Football is changing forever and not in a good way. Saudi Arabia is throwing insane money at top players. They are reaping football and creating a new world. But is this a revolution or the downfall of the beautiful game? It all started with one transfer, and that is Cristiano Ronaldo to Al Nassr in 2022. We all thought it was a retirement transfer, but here comes the snowball effect. Cristiano goes to Saudi, suddenly Benzema follows him. Then we got Kante, Mahrez, Neymar, Firmino, and even young talents like Ruben Neves as well. These young talents are choosing money over competition. Now let's talk about numbers, because the money here is straight up ridiculous. Cristiano Ronaldo 200 million euros per year. Neymar 300 million euros in 2 years. Even mid-level players are getting higher salaries in Saudi Arabia than the young players or the top players at European football. But the Saudi league is just not the football league, it's a government funded project. Saudi Arabia is using all its oil money to just control the global football. Now, this is not just about money. It is about the destruction of European football. Imagine you are Barcelona, Real Madrid, Manchester City, United. You build a superstar, a young talent, a promising star, and then boom, there comes the Saudi Arabia offer that the player likes. And you have no offer, you have no option just to sell him. You have to sell him because the player wants to go there. An example can be Vinicius Jr. He is in Real Madrid, but now according to the reports from Al Hilal, he is getting 1 billion euros in 5 years. And when Real Madrid offered the contract to him, he has not renewed it. So what can we expect from a young talent like him? Football is built on competition. But what happens when the clubs can't even compete financially anymore? If this continues, then Champions League might not be the same again like it was in the past. So now I ask you, this is a very short video, so now I am asking you, is Saudi Arabia destroying football, or is this just the future of this beautiful game? Just drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you love football, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.